Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to order Payoneer card. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Payoneer and basically make sure that you log in with your account on Payoneer, okay? And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just log in with my account basically, and make sure that you updated the app to the latest version, because you're gonna notice some lagging if you're using the app. So I'm gonna just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and if you want to order Payoneer card, just sign in to Payoneer and select Payoneer cards and verify your shipping address, and under shipping method choose express shipping, and then click on order card, or you can just use a virtual card like I do. I'm gonna just go ahead to my Payoneer and click on the cards at the bottom right corner, and basically you're gonna be able right here to see credit card. And if you want to add another card, click the plus button at the top right. Basically you have two options. You can use a virtual card and select the currency that you want so you can receive the money for it, or you could choose a physical card right here by clicking next, and then add your shipping address, and then basically select the shipment option, which is the express. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.